Did you know a basketball player once scored 100 points in a single game? Wilt Chamberlain did this crazy thing back in 1962, but here's the weird part. Nobody has video of it happening. The most famous basketball moment ever, and we only have one blurry photo of Wilt holding up a piece of paper with 100 written on it. His team won 169 to 147. That means Wilt scored more points by himself than most teams score together. The crowd went so crazy they rushed the court with 4 minutes left in the game. His teammates spent the whole fourth quarter just passing him the ball over and over. Even the other team started fouling his teammates on purpose so Wilt couldn't get the ball. When he finally hit 100 points, the game basically stopped. Players from both teams were shaking his hand. The refs didn't even care about the rules anymore. One player scored more than half his team's points, and we can't even watch it happen.